came into your class to learn and to grow. But what has touched me the most is the love you have shown. Good morning, everyone. Respected Director, Ma'am Aditi Mishra, our Principal, Ma'am Rita Taneja, our Vice Principal, Sir Ravi Dutt, and all our dearest teachers. We wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
The Student Council, along with other students, accord you a very warm welcome to this joyous occasion. We request you to take our heartfelt greetings in gratitude.
ब्रह्मा 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 गुरुर्विष्णु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः
Art speaks where words are unable to explain. We would like to showcase our love for our dear teachers in a creative way through a short animated movie by Aisha Lohar.
Good morning, Appa.
Why aren't you ready for school yet?
Just go. Did I tell you? We have a Teachers' Day program in our school today. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Are you excited?
Why do we even bother celebrating it? Teachers only give us long assignments for the summer break.
Ha ha ha. Come, I'll tell you something. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September, the birthday of the former president Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a well-known scholar, teacher, and promoter of education. On this special day, students celebrate the contribution of teachers in their lives and shaping up the society. The classrooms across the nation burst into colors with decorations, cultural programs, greetings, and whatnot. Teachers help us to become better individuals. They are the ones who take up the responsibility to educate the newer generations in order to build a better world. They impact students at a time when they are most susceptible to influence. Equip the students so that they can grow up to fulfill their dreams, passions, and goals, and bring out potential of students and ignite their worth and contributions. Yes, there are times when teachers might scold you or punish you or give you tons of work, but believe me when I say this, that it is only to inculcate discipline and maintain consistency. Believe me when I say they want nothing but the best for you.
The theatre is so endlessly fascinating because it's so accidental and so much like life. The students of DPS Jaipur are glad to present their heartfelt emotions in the form of a skit.
आज रात 12 बजे से पूरे देश में, ध्यान से सुनिए, पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
2 weeks later.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Am I audible to everyone?
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम, 12 बज रहे हैं।
ये रूटीन है तुम्हारा? बढ़िया. But I think you should get back to studies. What's funny? Nothing's funny. I think we should get back to studies now because you have gotten a holiday of 20 days.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, how are things at home? सात्विक, पढ़ाई
Yes, ma'am.
करी इन दिनों में?
नहीं मैम थोड़ी बहुत मैम. I was trying to learn a little bit of cooking.
अच्छा. And what
Helping
about
mom.
academics? क्या
Ma'am,
हुआ?
little bit, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay, so धीरे धीरे सब शुरू हो जाएगा. I think we should begin with our first lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
So, we decided to start online classes. बाकी स्कूल में क्लास नहीं हो रही है, but we decided because dip sites are a league apart. So, is because otherwise, when schools finally do open, it will be very tough to catch up with everything. So, since we have only a little bit of time, because I got a little late in scheduling the class, let's begin. I have been told to share the screen. I want to show you people a video, okay? So can any one of you tell me how to share the screen? Hello? Am I audible?
Ma'am, you'll see those 3 dots over there, ma'am, written more.
3 dots. No, Satvik, I cannot see dots.
No, ma'am, there is a red button. Ma'am, there is a red
Yes,
option, leave.
Leave.
If you click on
Ma'am, not the red button, ma'am.
appear itself.
Okay, one of you tell me. Someone,
Ma'am,
like
the red
this one
button,
of you.
the leave button.
Red button. Red
Ma'am, you will go out of the meeting, ma'am.
Oh,
That is the leave button.
राघा, तुम फायदा उठा रहे हो? Okay. I see a green button. It says share screen. I'll try that. Okay. So I want to show you a video because since this is a new medium of education, I wanted to try something new. So okay. Can you see my screen, children? Oh,
No, ma'am.
Satvik, can you see my screen?
Ma'am, it's a little bit blur,
No,
ma'am.
But it's visible. That
Yes,
might
ma'am,
be
it's
No,
a
ma'am.
little bit
connectivity
visible.
issue. I don't think I can do anything about that. So, I think we should start. We will figure everything out along the way. Okay. Everybody, please mute yourself. I've been told I should ask you to mute everyone. Okay.
Ma'am, you are not able.
Let's begin.
Flamingos.
So, the first chapter in our book is Lost Spring by Anis Jung. Okay, let's watch the video and then I will give you an explanation.
Chapter 2, Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood by
Is everything audible?
Ma'am, it's very low.
Who is doing all this? How do I stop this? आप लोगों को भी ये scribble दिख रहा है या मुझे ही दिख रहा है बस?
Yes, ma'am, we can also see, ma'am. Ma'am, कुछ लिखा भी है, ma'am.
नाश्ता पानी करके. What is this?
नाश्ता पानी के.
What is this? Who told you you could do all this? Do you know how hard we teachers are trying? Do you realize how tough it is for us to do this for the first time? You people might be very tech savvy, but we are not. So kindly try to appreciate our efforts. हमारा क्या है? हम तो घर पे बैठ जाएंगे शांति से कि ओ बच्चे they will fend for themselves. If anyone does this, I will remove you from the meeting. Hear the video now.
हम पॉज कर रखिए आपने.
हाँ, I did pause it because I want to ask you, can you hear the video properly?
Ma'am, but it's paused.
And summary.
Audible, ma'am.
Audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, what would that be?
What?
Ma'am,
Who is doing this?
still writing on.
Who is doing this?
Ma'am, my hands are here.
Who is doing this? You tell me right now who is doing this.
मैम विनोद कर रहा है
Who is Binod? Where is Binod? Binod
नेपाल
is
में नेपाल मैम विनोद नेपाली है
I know Binod Nepali. He is not in the class.
मैम आप सबको म्यूट कर दो ना.
ऐसे करते हैं सात्विक. You tell me.
मैम ये सात्विक कर रहा है, उसको सब पता है, वही कर रही है बा.
Satvik,
मैम मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा मैम.
हम सात्विक.
Yes, Vanshika, what are you saying?
मैम इट्स ओके मैम, इफ यू आर फेसिंग डिफिकल्टीज. जब हमने भी पहली बार किया था हमें भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही थी, आप सीख जाओगे.
Have you done this? Have you done this?
There is a red color button. If you double tap it, ma'am, everyone will be muted, ma'am.
नहीं, लेकिन मुझे तो
No, ma'am.
सात्विक ने किया था.
मैम उससे ली हो जाएगा मैम.
Vanshika, what is this behavior?
मैम सात्विक कर रहे हैं सब, उसको सब पता, हमको परेशान कर रहा है, हम आपको हेल्प कर रहे हैं.
मैम मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा मैम.
Is this supposed to be easy for you?
Doing all this.
मैम मैं नहीं कर रहा मैम, सच्ची में मैम.
Satvik, if this turns out to be true,
अरे
I will
मैम
let it pass now.
मैम पिंकी स्वेयर मैम.
ये तो चेला है आपका.
Vanshika, तुमने बोला था ना, you have done this before. How am I supposed to do this?
Ma'am, I was telling you, ma'am, on the red button, just double tap it. Ma'am, आप सात्विक की बात मत सुनो.
मैम मैम
Yes.
आपके सिर्फ होठ हिल रहा है, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. मैम यू आर
मैम आप लीव करके रिजॉइन करो मैम. मैम तो शायद आ जाए.
यस मैम.
Hello, can you hear me?
हेलो मैम. हेलो मैम.
हेलो मैम
Hi, ma'am.
We will try again tomorrow. You can leave the class.
थैंक यू मैम.
You can leave.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you,
you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
परसों ही
Thank you.
अबे यार क्लास का टाइम हो गया. दोस्तों Yes, ma'am.
Periphery of Delhi. Periphery. Okay. Pranav, can you tell me the meaning of periphery? Hello?
Ma'am, yesterday we started with Lost Spring.
Yes, did we start, or was I able to start, or did you people not let me?
your net didn't let you.
Okay, Madit. Let's try
मैम वो
again.
वीडियो पॉज हो जाता है मैम.
Let's try again. Kaustubh, how do I share the screen?
मैम वो बॉटम राइट में लीव का ऑप्शन है ना, वो उससे
Red button you mean?
हाँ वो रेड बटन है ना मैम, उसको दबा दो. दबाते जाओ जब तक नहीं होगा.
Are you sure?
एकदम 100%.
Okay.
सही में गए भाई.
W win रो.
अबे did ma'am really leave? अबे participants check कर एक बार.
अरे हाँ गई भाई, मजे कर अब.
अबे she is not there.
अरे तो सुन तू मजे कर, अपना काम कर भाई. देख मेरी भी स्क्वाड ऑनलाइन आ गई, पबजी खेलते हैं बढ़िया. मजे कर. ओके
यार तेरे को
टेंशन
पबजी की
मतलब भाई
बड़ी है
कोई
यार.
नहीं है.
8 बज रही है.
गाइस आज मैं लूडो की लिंक भेजता हूं. अपन
हाँ भाई लिंक भेज जल्दी.
अबे लूडो.
भेज दिया एक लिंक, आ जा उस पे. चल ठीक है.
भाई क्या कर रहे हो?
क्लास बीच में लूडो.
प्रियांशी यार तू समझा यार इनको यार.
यार तुम लोग सही में पागल हो गए हो क्या? बिल्कुल
तुमको रियलाइज हो रहा है कि हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं टीचर्स के साथ? ये सब उनके लिए भी नया है। वो रात रात भर बैठ के प्रेजेंटेशंस बना रहे हैं, हमारे लिए वीडियोस ढूंढ रहे हैं, और हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यार?
लोग दे देते हैं, इन लोगों से कुछ नहीं होगा। मैं तो मीटिंग लीव करके जा रहा हूँ। इन लोगों की वजह से मेरा इंग्लिश का पीरियड भी खराब हो गया और आगने वाले सारे पीरियड खराब हो गए।
अरे कल एक
यार मैं जा रहा हूँ यार मैं जा रहा हूँ यार, इनके देखते रहना।
अरे सुन, कल मैम को अपॉलॉजी देंगे एक।
अरे सुनो, अभी भी लूडो खेलना है क्या?
यार फिर से तुम लोग समझ नहीं रहे हो कि टीचर्स इतना डेडिकेशन और टाइम डिवोट कर रही हैं। क्या कर रहे हो यार तुम लोग? थोड़ा तो पढ़ाई के बारे में सीरियस हो जाना चाहिए ना हमें।
गाइस कल एक काम करते हैं, कल अपन सब है ना मैम को अपॉलॉजाइज कर लेंगे, ठीक है?
मैं भी सोच रहा था यार, जो हमने किया बहुत
स्क्रीन
गलत था
शेयर
यार।
सही नहीं था यार, स्क्रीन शेयर सही नहीं था, और फिर
तो
लीव
कल
करवाना।
अपॉलॉजाइज करेंगे। कल अभी लूडो खेलते हैं, मैं लिंक भेज रहा हूँ, आ जाओ।
हाँ कल कर लेंगे, तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं, कल कर लेंगे।
हाँ यार, ये ज्यादा सही है यार।
लिंक भेज दे राघव।
कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी की आईडी दे देना मेरे को अपनी भाई।
मैं रेड वाली लूंगी।
Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. I hope you are doing well. This year, especially, I'd like to thank you for all that you have done and continue to do for us. It's been an honor to be a student and to grow under your guidance. While being a teacher is tough enough on most days, I'm sure the new normal has been hard on the faculty. I can only imagine the amount of work that you have to do on a daily basis. But even on top of all that, ma'am, you have not stopped being our motivation and inspiration, our sunrise after a dark night. I always look forward to your classes. I feel they help me excel just as if I'm back at school. I cannot wait to see you again, ma'am. But until then, I hope we continue to stay in touch. A very, very happy Teachers' Day once again, ma'am. The best portraits are those in which there is a slight mixture of caricature. We present before you the caricatures of our esteemed teachers made by Kush Batra.
head of our council, the head of our school. We welcome our vice head girl, Kunjal Jain, to address the gathering with the warm words.
A very happy Teachers' Day, respected Director Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, our beloved teachers and my dear friends. Celebrated on 5th September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna, it gives me immense pleasure to talk about teachers, the builders of nation, the shapers of destiny of every student, the greatness behind every great mind. Teachers work hard the whole year just to make sure that we are doing well in every field. They make sure that we don't divert from our respective paths, whatever it may be, and to make sure that we get to learn to work hard with dedication in what we choose to do. Well, in the outer world, no one really cares what you do, and here at DPS Jaipur they are caring a whole good amount. And we are really thankful to them every day, but don't realize to express and acknowledge it so often, which makes this day even more special as we get to express our gratitude towards our dear teachers. There are a few lines I would like to say. You were the reason for my crying when I came away from my mother in kindergarten, and you were the only one who became just like my mother few days after. You were the one who made us tiring practice each day, but actually, you were the one who were the most tired but the happiest when we won. You were the one whose sad face made us down, and you were the one whose smile made our day. You were the one who were there with us in every thick and thin. You were the one who gave us courage to fight every sin. You were the one who gave vision to our ambition. Now we are ready to fly for our life's mission. इसीलिए कहा गया है, गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए. I salute all my teachers. Thank you and a very happy Teachers' Day.